Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on the channel. So today we're back with a new video, and in today's video we're gonna share with you a VPN app which will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. So let me take this chance to welcome viewers and subscribers of this channel that you are highly welcomed. So the app we're gonna share with you, it's on Google Play Store. Just open Google Play Store, and in the search bar you search for this app name. So you search for Bangladesh VPN. Bangladesh VPN, that's the name of the app. Tap on the search and scroll down. And you pick this one. Among the presented, you pick this one, Bangladesh VPN. Make sure to install the right app. Make sure to take note of the app name and also the app icon. So before using this app, please make sure to read its terms and conditions. Also make sure to read your country local laws regarding VPN usage, and also make sure to follow them and don't violate them. And make sure to read your internet service provider terms and conditions regarding VPN usage in your respective countries, and please make sure to follow them. After that, you're required to open and set up this app. When you tap on the open, it will take you to its home screen where the setup begins. So you tap on this auto option. So this app, as we set it up, make sure you are online and you need to update the app resources. So you tap on this update button, and you can see that the app will start to update its resources or its servers, so that it can provide you with the latest configured settings in order to secure your connection. So from here you will be required to pick any server, or you can pick auto, but in case you have your specific server location you need, you can browse along. You can see US, Bangladesh, United Arab, India, France, and many more. Just I recommend you that you pick a server which is online and it supports UDP. As you can see, UDP is right here. So the server indicates its connection method. So pick a server of UDP. This is because UDP is fast and secure, and it is working for all countries which support UDP. Just in case your country supports UDP, this option will definitely work for you of UDP. So you can pick auto in case your country doesn't support UDP, and the app will automatically pick the best working server in your location. And after doing that, you're required to initiate a connection by tapping on the start button. And when you tap on the start button, you give this app a few seconds for it to connect, and right away you can see right here that the app is connected, and right now our connection is secured. And that's how we set up Bangladesh VPN with UDP settings to get a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. Lastly, make sure to add time, because when the app connects it displays this option of add more time. And let's meet again.